What's up, guys? This is Snake, and this here is the Nerf Rival Nemesis 10K, or otherwise known as the MXVII or 1017. And this is just a quick tutorial of how to put batteries in this bad boy. Alright, very simple for those of you who don't know. Screw right here on the top by the butt plate here. There we go. Just unscrew this right here at the top, like I mentioned. It'll get nice and loose. It's also a spring-loaded screw, so it should pop up for you once it's ready to be taken out. All you got to do is slide it towards the back and lift up. There you go. Inside, you have a little D battery compartment. Load your D batteries. Slide that back in like so. And I just broke it. I didn't really break it, but anyway. Slide that back in. Pop that back on, starting from the back, and then slide it forward. Easy as that. Alright. Screw it back down.